Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Duolingo app. And you click. Here in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Duolingo. If you'll find here updates, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.